Artist. You gotta go digital. Digital art galleries like CryptoKitties are blowing up the internet right now, making people a lot of money. How much?
Let's check out the most recently sold CryptoKitties on OpenSea. This one looks cool. This kitty was purchased for 0.026 Ethereum, which translates to $40. Let's see the highest last sale. Dragon was purchased for 600 Ethereum, which, I'm sorry, translates to $930,000.
Why are people spending almost $1 million on a digital cat? Follow along all week on my NFT digital art deep dive.